Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechWatch. If you have any ideas for website creation but you don't have any coding knowledge, then you are in right place. Today we are going to explore a Bolt AI. It is used to create a website easily based on your ideas, even if you don't have any coding knowledge. Let's get started. Simply click on link given in the description, or you can open your favorite browser and search for Bolt. Click on first link, Bolt.new. This is the interface of Bolt AI. In the top right corner, it asks a sign in options. In the sign in options, you have continue with your Google account or GitHub account. I'm already logged in with my Google account. Bolt new A is a token based pricing system. For free usage, it will give you 1 million tokens after you log in with your account. The daily limit is 150k tokens. So you can use 150k token for free usage in 1 million tokens. How do I check my tokens? You can click on your profile. After click on settings button, you see here your profile, go to settings, go to tokens. It will show you 1 million tokens. Here you can check your tokens and track your tokens. Daily limit consumption is 150k. That's it. Now let's build a website using this AI. In the prompt bar, I will paste a one prompt and I will give it this prompt in the description. You can also try it. And this is the prompt I given to generate my website. Just click on arrow. After click on arrow button, Bolt AI will start now generating your code. It may be take some time. Let's see. If in case you get an error on that code, copy that part of code, give it prompt, it will correct it. If you want to change any on that website again, give prompt, what do you want? That's not a problem. You can see here the code of the website. Here the preview. This is the website. The Bolt AI is generated for me. It's amazing. For example, you want to change a color combination or replace the name. Mm, yeah, I can leave it here. Change the. I, I want to change the color combination and replace the Innovator Pro to TechWash. Let's see what happens. You see here, the Bolt AI changes the Innovator Pro to TechWash and change the color combination, and you can choose see the actual website looks like. The actual website looks like this. See, you can edit your code here with your details. If the website is all set, you can download your source code or deploy your website using free hosts. You see here the two options called export and deploy. Let's see how the two options are work. First, first let's see the export option. If you want to download a source code, simply click on export button at top right corner here. You see here the download button appears and click on it. The source code is downloaded to your PC or laptop. Just click on. You see here, this is the source code. And if you want to deploy a website, click on deploy button. Let's see. It's initiating the deployment process. Let's see what happens. Once you click on deploy button, it will automatically deploy it on the free hotspot. You see here, your site has been successfully deployed. It's provide a URL. You can copy this, just paste. Let's see. Yes, the website is deployed. You can share this link to your friends and check the website. Do this for yourself. Go and explore. Write down the comment how's the AI is. That's it for today, guys. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.